Hello everyone. Now this video is going to be a slightly different from my other previous videos because in this video I will only talk and there will no any kind of visual content. I mean, if you wanna remember trigonometrical table, then you just need to listen to this video. You don't need to see anything from this video. And I am damn sure once you will listen to this video, I mean to say once you will watch this video, at the end of the video I am sure that you will be remembered trigonometrical table effectively. And this is a slightly different method from the other methods you may find on the internet. And this method related to trigonometrical functions, how can we learn trigonometrical table very effectively? This method is created by me. So I'm damn sure at the end of the video you will be able to learn trigonometrical table forever. And whenever somebody will ask you any trigonometrical functions value, I mean to say 0 to 90, right? This is the trigonometrical tables degrees 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. And once you will see this video, then everybody, whenever they will ask you anything, then you will say everything immediately. I mean to say, if somebody will ask you what is the value of cot 45, then immediately you will say cot 45 is 1. And I'm not seeing anything from the book right now. I'm just sitting and I'm just saying you that cot 45 is 1. And if somebody will ask you what is the value of tan 60, then you will say tan 60 is root 3 without seeing and without remembering. I mean to say without thinking about 60 is right. So this video is slightly different. So first of all I wanna say just close your eyes. Why? Because this video is only audio based video. So whatever I am saying in this video you have to follow this. That is why I am damn sure that at the end of the video you will remember trigonometrical table forever, just like I do. Wherever somebody asks me any trigonometrical value, then I say it immediately and they are shocked ki how can they speak trigonometrical tables value immediately, how fast she is. So just close your eyes. I'm not wasting anybody's time right now, also mine. So just close your eyes. And first of all, I'll tell you some basics of trigonometrical functions and then we will cover the main chief point, means trigonometrical functions table. How can we learn them? Alright, now close your eyes. Did you do it? Yes. Alright, now just listen to me. There are 6 trigonometrical functions: sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec and cot. Sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec and cot. So first I said sine, cos, and as you know sine upon cos is tan, right? So I am saying sequentially sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot. Now after tan I am saying cosec. Why? Because everybody knows, I hope you also know, and I know that you know, that the reciprocal of sine is cosec. And I said sine first, so I'll say cosec first. I said cos second. So, as you know, the reciprocal of cos is what? Right. Sec. Right. So, and the last one is 10. Remember, the last one is 10. So, the reciprocal of 10 and the rest one is cot. So, just say this with me sequentially without cramming. I mean to say without remembering, without memorizing it. Just learn it with logic. Sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot. Repeat with me again. Sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot. Right? Sequentially you have to learn. Not memorizing, just sequentially you have to remember that we have to use sequentially so that every time we will say anything from the trigonometrical table, we will say correctly. So you have to remember this sequentially. Sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot. Now this is the first main point that I wanted to use so that you will learn it very well. Now second thing is how can we learn trigonometrical table? Now we have 5 fingers, right? So in trigonometrical table we have 5 degrees, and as you know in the 10th class we have used right triangle. I mean to say right triangle, right? I mean to say in trigonometry in class 10th we used right angled triangle, and right angled triangle is of 90 degree, and as you know that in trigonometrical functions table we have 0 to 90 degree values, and as you know whatever I said, we have 5 fingers, so we have 5 basic degrees, 0 to 90, 0 to 90 angled degree, 0 to 90. Okay, so first one is 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. 0 to 90, that is why we are saying 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. And as you can see here 30, 45, 60, we have 15 degrees difference. In 30 to 45 we have 15 degree difference. In 45 to 60 we have 15 degree difference. In 30 to 60 we have 30 degree difference. Now forget this. So we have 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. We have 5 degrees. 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. And we know that 30, 45, 60 have 15 degrees difference. 15 degree difference, right? 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. Alright, now how can we remember trigonometrical table? How can we learn trigonometrical table? Now first function was sine. So once you will remember the sine, I am damn sure that you will remember every trigonometrical function's value as well. So just learn only sine's value, and I am sure that you will remember every function's value. Alright, now start with sine. Now 0, 35, 45, 60, 90. Remember? Now just forget about this for a while. Now we are focusing on sine. First value is 0. I am talking about the values now. First value is 0. Second value is 1 upon 2. Third value is 1 upon root 2. Fourth value is root 3 upon 2. Fifth value is 1. And we have 5 values. We have 5 degrees. That is why we are saying fifth value is 1. That's all. Now how can we remember the sine's value? Now don't think about the degrees right now, and don't think about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just listen whatever I am saying. 0, 1 upon 2. Now here we have 0 and then we have 1 upon 2. Now focus on 2. I mean to say in denominator we have 2, right? 1 upon 2. Focus on 2. Now in the third one we have 1 upon root 2. Now the previous one was 2, 1 upon 2. And this one is 1 upon root 2. 2 has root. And now just think that 2 doesn't like root. Of course, 2 doesn't like root. Do you know? Now, in the fourth one, we see that we have 3 in the numerator. And before that, we have 1, only 1. Right? So, we have 3 in the numerator. And the 2, as we know, 2 doesn't like root. So, we have root 3 and upon 2, root 3 upon 2. 2 is as it is 2. 2 doesn't like root, that is why 2 has given root to 3. And then last one is 1. So complicated she is saying, like, right? But this is not complicated. Just remember everything again. Now 0, 1 upon 2, usual 1 upon 2. Now 1 upon root 2. Oops, 2 doesn't like root. Now 3 in the denominator, obviously in the past, in the previous ones, everybody has 1 and now it is 3. And 3 has something special. What is this? This is root which has given by 2 because 2 doesn't like root and 2 is in the denominator always, right? Alright, now root 3 upon 2 and last one is 1. Now revise this again. 0, 1 upon 2, 1 upon root 2, root 3 upon 2, 1. Again 0, 1 upon 2, 1 upon root 2, root 3 upon 2, 1, sorry, right? Starting 1, starting 0, 1 upon 2, root 0, 1 upon 2, 1 upon root 2, root 3 upon 2, 1. Now this is the value of sine. And the reverse of this is the value of cos. Second one is cos. So reverse the value of this is the value of cos. So just think that in the last, what did I say? I said 1, right? So the value of cos 0 is 1. And what did I say in the second last of the sine's value? Root 3 upon 2, right? We have 5 degrees. So we have 5 values of sine and obviously we have 5 values of all the trigonometrical functions. So remember this again, 0, 1 upon 2, 1 upon root 2, root 3 upon 2, 1. Now the reverse of sine's value is cos values, cosine's value. So 1, root 3 upon 2, just read it or just think sine's value reversely, right? Reverse the value of sine is the value of cos. So 1, root 3 upon 2, 1 upon root 2, 1 upon 2, 0. Again 1, root 3 upon 2, 1 upon root 2, 1 upon 2, 0. And don't write it, don't see this in your NCERT or other books. I am just saying this without seeing anything. So you just need to close your eyes and whatever I am saying you just need to imagine, because all about maths is all about imagination and all about logics. Don't remember, don't memorize, don't cram, just listen and just imagine whatever I am saying. So the value of cos 1, root 3 upon 2, 1 upon root 2, 1 upon 2, 0. Now as you know, the third one is 10 and we know that sine upon cos is 10. So whatever we have said in sine upon whatever we have cos, whatever we have said in cos will be the value of the 10. So I will not say 0 upon 1 is equals to 0 and second one was 1 upon 2, right? In sines we have second one is 1 upon 2 and in cos we have second one is root 3 upon 2. So we can say 1 upon 2 upon root 3 upon 2, 2 can cancel out, so we have 1 upon root 3. We are not saying like this. So the better way to learn 10's value is 0, 1 upon root 3, 1 upon root 3, 1, root 3, not defined. Again, 0, 1 upon root 3, 1, root 3, not defined. Now remember sines and cos value. Just remember this again. Revise this again. 0, 1 upon 2, 1 upon root 2, root 3 upon 2, 1. This is the value of sine, obviously. Now in cos, we had 1, root 3 upon 2, 1 upon root 2, 1 upon 2, 0. Right? Now in tan, we just need to learn 0, 1 upon root 3, 1, root 3, not defined. As you can see, and I will say that in sine and cos, we don't have any not defined value. Not defined value, but in all the other trigonometrical function we have at least one not defined value. So you just need to remember that in sine and cos we don't have any not defined, and in rest of the trigonometrical function we have not defined as well. By the way, if you think that this video will not be helpful, then I am damn sure if you will repeat this video at least 2 to 3 times, then definitely it will be effective for you as well. Just trust me. By the way, 10's value 0, 1 upon root 3, 1, root 3, not defined. And whatever I have said, what did I say? I said in sine and cos we don't have any not defined value, but in rest of the trigonometrical functions value we have not defined value, but in not sine and cos. Now in 10 we have 0, 1 upon root 3, 1, root 3, not defined. And as you can see or as you can imagine, we have 1 in the middle, and in the left of the 1 we have 1 upon root 3, and in the right of the 1 we have root 3. As you can see, 0, 1 upon root 3, 1, root 3, not defined, obviously not defined, because this is 10, not sine and cos. Alright, now revise this again. 0, 1 upon root 3, 1, root 3, not defined. As you can see, 1 is in the middle and 1 is of 45 degrees value. As you can see, 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90 degree. So we can say in tens we have 0, 1 upon root 3, 1, root 3, not defined. And the reciprocal of 10 we know is cot. So the reciprocal, so the reverse of 10's value will be the value of cot. So whatever we have just said, just reverse them. So what did I say in 10? 0, 1 upon root 3, 1, root 3, not defined. Because in 1 we have 1 upon root 3 in left, and in 1 we have root 3 in right. So we have 0, 1 upon root 3, 1, root 3, not defined. There is no 2, of course. So in cot we have reverse of 10. So what did I say in the last? Not defined. And then root 3. And then 1. Then 1 upon root 3. And then 0. Reverse the 10. Right? So not defined. Root 3. 1. 1 upon root 3. 0. And as you can see here also, 1 is in the middle, and in cot we have reverse of 10. So obviously in the left we have root 3, and in the right of 1 we have 1 upon root 3, of course. So repeat this 10 and cot again. First of all I'll say 10 and then I'll tell cot. So 0, 1 upon root 3, 1, root 3, not defined. Now cot, not defined, root 3, 1, 1 upon root 3, 0. Again, not defined, root 3, 1, 1 upon root 3, 0. This is cot. Okay, now Rest one is cosec and sec. And as you know, this value of sine will be reciprocal and then it will be the value of cosec, and the value of cos will be reciprocal and it will be the value of sec. So remember the value of sine. Repeat this again. 0, 1 upon 2, 1 upon root 2, root 3 upon 2, 1. Now reciprocal will be the value of cos sec. So first one was 0. So reciprocal of 0 is what? Reciprocal means numerator will be in the denominator and denominator will be in the numerator. So in 0 we have 0 upon 1. That is why we write it as 0. So the reciprocal of 0 is 0. Why? Sorry, the reciprocal of 0 is not defined. Why? Because we say 0 is in the numerator, so it must be in the denominator in the case of cosec. So we will write 1 upon 0, and whatever we write in the denominator, if it is 0, then the value will be not defined. So in this case we have 1 upon 0, so the value is not defined. Second one was 1 upon 2. So just put it as 2 is in the up and 1 is in the down. So the value is 2. Third one was 1 upon root 2. So we can say root 2 is in up, 1 is in down. So we say root 2. Fourth one was root 3 upon 2. So 2 is in up, root 3 is in down. So the value will be 2 upon root 3. So just numerator will be in the denominator, denominator will be in the numerator. That's it. And the last one is 1 in sine. So we can say 1 upon 1 is 1. So in cosec, just imagine sine and then just reciprocal them in your mind. I am telling you the values of cosec. Not defined. 2, root 2, 2 upon root 3, 1. Again, not defined. 2, root 2, 2 upon root 3, 1. Now rest one is sec, and whatever I have just said to you, you should learn this and then you should apply this in the sec as well, and I am damn sure that you will do it, and the value of value of cos will be reciprocal, will be the value of sec. So I hope this video might helpful for you, and definitely repeat this video at least 2 to 3 times and just remember this again and again, and definitely it will help. And at the end of the video I am just ending this video with the revision of the all trigonometrical functions value which I have just told to you. So first we will start with sine, cos, tan, cot, and then cosec, and then rest one is sec, which you will do it by yourself. So first one is sine. So do this with me. Sine, values of sine: 0, 1 upon 2, 1 upon root 2, root 3 upon 2, 1. Again 0, 1 upon 2, 1 upon root 2, root 3 upon 2, 1. Now cos, reverse of sine: 1, root 3 upon 2, 1 upon root 2, 1 upon 2, 0. Again 1, root 3 upon 2, 1 upon root 2, 1 upon 2, 0. Now next one is 10, and what did I say to you in 10? In 10, 0, 1 upon root 3, 1, root 3 not defined. Again in 1 we have we have 1 upon root 3 in left and root 3 in right. So we just said 0, 1 upon root 3, 1, root 3 not defined. In cot, reciprocal of 10, so we can say not defined, root 3, 1, 1 upon root 3, 0. Again not defined, root 3, 1, 1 upon root 3, 0. Now in cosec, reciprocal of sine. So just imagine the sine, and numerator must be in the denominator, denominator must be in the numerator. Alright, and cosec, not defined, 2, root 2, 2 upon root 3, 1. Again, not defined, 2, root 2, 2 upon root 3, 1. Now rest one is sec. You just need to do it by yourself. I hope this video will be helpful for you, and definitely it will if you will do it whatever I have said to you exactly. And thank you so much for this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like this video as well. And if you have any kind of problem related to mathematics, so you can also comment in this video. And definitely you should check my channel as well, and you should check my playlist related to many softwares. I have done many videos as well, so you should at least one time see my channel as well. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.